Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of supervised learning. In this video, we'll explore what supervised learning is, understand key concepts like features and labels, and see how it's applied in real-world scenarios like image recognition and spam detection. Whether you're new to machine learning or looking to brush up on your knowledge, this video has got you covered. Let's get started. So, what exactly is supervised learning? Let's break it down. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where we teach a model to make predictions based on examples of input-output pairs. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize objects. We show them pictures of apples and tell them, this is an apple. Over time, they learn to identify apples on their own. In supervised learning, we do something similar. We provide the model with a data set that includes both the input data, called features, and the correct output data, called labels. The model learns to map the features to the labels so it can make accurate predictions on new, unseen data. For example, let's say we want to teach a model to recognize images of cats and dogs. We start by showing it lots of images of cats and dogs, each labeled correctly. The model learns from these examples, and eventually it can look at a new image and predict whether it's a cat or a dog. Another example is predicting house prices. Here, our features might include the size of the house, the number of bedrooms, and the location. The label would be the actual price of the house. By training on a data set of houses with known prices, the model can learn to predict the price of a new house based on its features. In summary, supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data so it can make predictions on new data. It's a powerful technique used in various applications, from recognizing images to predicting prices. Now that we've got the basics down, let's dive deeper into the key concepts and see some real-world applications. Now that we've covered the basics of supervised learning, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Great job. Now, can you think of other examples of supervised learning in your daily lives? Leave a comment below with your examples or any questions you might have. I'd love to hear your thoughts.